The space technology that is now being developed at the Spaceship Institute will ultimately allow humanity to be members of the space community by enabling us to create conditions to survive peacefully in deep space, anywhere in the universe. Humans have been focused on the physical aspects of life and are now starting to understand and embrace plasmatic science. This science explains the plasma energy system of the universe, our sun, our Earth, our bodies, and each and every atom, plus each and every proton, neutron, and electron. So you see, there isn't anything that doesn't have a plasma field, and there isn't anything that isn't in a plasma field. The Spaceship Institute provides education and practical training of the manipulation of the magnetic gravitational fields, MAGRAVs, and use of plasma-based technologies. These fields and plasma are used in space for travel by positive positioning, creation of new materials including food and water, generating energy, and health benefits. Just as we require Earth suits to live on this planet, we would require ships for travel in outer space. However, these spaceships must be dynamic and conscious in nature. In other words, the spaceship must easily be reconfigurable and adaptable to meet different challenges and scenarios in different parts of space. Therefore, constructing a spaceship out of similar materials as we would do a car, boat, or airplane just doesn't cut it. The spaceship must be created out of MAGRAV's plasma. Since it is naturally conscious, MAGRAV's plasma can be concentrated and configured by thought, according to the requirements of space travel. Being dynamic, the spaceship would be able to grow to accommodate more within herself, or shrink to navigate difficult areas of space. Crew living spaces would be dynamically reconfigurable and never boring. During space travel, the spaceship would replicate the Earth's gravity field via MAGRAV's plasma in order to protect the crew and for the crew to be able to function as they would on Earth. Various cosmic rays and gravitational fields of different magnetical strengths would be encountered during space travel. Through MAGRAV's plasma science, these rays can be converted and used according to the needs of the crew and spaceship. Space travel means being away from Earth for months, years, or decades at a time. There's no practical way to bring large stores of oxygen, food, and water from home for such long voyages. Once again, MAGRAV's plasma can be constituted in such a way that vital nutrition would reside in the very air that the crew of the spaceship breathe. Eating and drinking would be reserved purely for pleasure and as a social activity, and food and drink can be constituted out of MAGRAV's plasma as desired. Are you ready to become the space explorer today?